Because A, this soil is still a lot of this agricultural stuff, so it's very wet, it's going to be very dense, so be aware of that. You're going to have to give it some welling, like the hip. So there's a couple different ways to go about this. Just real quick on the tools, to be clear, hand pick, pickaxe, and then the Taria. So what you can do is, the best way to look at it, you stand over the bolt, and you see the edge, and you see that it's obviously not straight. There's a couple different ways you can do it. Like a lot of this is still loose stuff. What you do is you kind of try to find a hand pick that doesn't have a lot of head on the top of it, because that interferes with the angle and how easy you can come down and cut the bolt. So what you do is basically just come on down, and again, like everything, we're working systematically. Like, so you're gonna start coming down, move over, chop down, move over, chop down, and then you just kind of like shift over. You want to keep it. You don't want to stay in the same place for too long. Because what happens is you're going to start digging into the bolt, creating a belly. So this kind of little bulbous thing into the bolt, which messes up the section, and then also is not safe to walk on. It can go out underneath you, and then you're a sprained ankle or whatever. So what you can do is kind of like come down on it as best you can. Again, this is like really tough soil. You'll see sparks sometimes. Don't be alarmed. Now, you see these rocks aren't coming out. Never ever like pick a rock out of the section. You always want to just kind of work around it as best you can. And if it's going to come out on its own, it's going to come out. But you work around it, go around, see that's going to come out. And you come down on it, that's not going anywhere, so you move around. The most important thing is also that you clean up. Some guy comes in with the Taria, scrapes up all this loose soil. Now what we're doing is we need a sandbag to reinforce the bulk. We use sandbags along the top. So when you have like a nice pile of soil here that's pretty loose, not a whole lot of field stones, bucket it, and then we'll have two people making sandbags. We'll